Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download shows on HBO Max. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your HBO Max app on your Android or iOS device. So once you tap it open, you will now be redirected to this kind of interface. So once you're here, you can get a sign in button where you can simply tap on, and once you do this, you will be able to get signed in or logged in into your account by typing in your email address and your password. So once you get your account signed in, all you can do is simply scroll down and tap on the show that you want to download. So once you tap on the show you want to download, you will be redirected to a different kind of interface which sort of look like this. So once you're here, you can see a download button. So simply to download that particular show, you need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will show you a percentage meter to show how much is downloaded. So once the show is completely downloaded, you will get an option called downloaded. So after you see this, you will know that you have successfully downloaded show on HBO Max. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.